Check out this caved in fender. Crazy, right? Watch as we use Paintless Dent Repair to reverse the damage in this fender without causing any additional damage. This repair is going to be done as a two-part repair. Part 1 being the front of the fender with this long crease that goes through the body line up against the edge of the panel, along with the little miscellaneous dents behind it. Part 2 is going to be the large, big area in the back of this fender, all the way up against the back edge, down against the wheel opening with all the buckles and everything there, the body line, and the large buckle across the top. Starting with the crease at the front of this fender, we're using a lot of strategic pushes, which is walking this crease backwards from the front to the back through the body line. Using these edge pliers, we're straightening out the inner lip of this fender, rebuilding its strength and its stability. We've walked through the front section from here forward. We wanted to get that up because we're going to use a lateral tension system back here. So we're going to take feet like this, we're going to glue them to the panel so that we can stretch between the two using a specific tool that allows us to do that. So in order to put a foot up here, I really wanted to get all of this up here done, fixed, taken care of to a certain degree in order for this to have somewhere to attach to instead of having other dents underneath it. So stick with us. We're going to go ahead and finish this. We're going to get this all set up and get all our assisted pulls and our lateral tension on it so that we can get this nastiness taken care of. Using a special automotive grade hot glue, we're anchoring the feet for our lateral tension system to the fender here. So you can see here we're putting one on top where all that original damage was at one point in time. Now we're going to anchor the second one down here low so we have the ability to stretch this fender from left to right in a horizontal motion, which will help get that whole entire fender lip to come out. You can see here as we're adding tension to this, that fender edge just walks right up, no issues. And then we go in with a set of fender pliers and continue to rebuild that fender lip, adding the strength and stability into it. Using special knockdowns, you can see we're manipulating the crowns at the top of the dent, releasing all the energy of the trapped tension in the top of the dent. Once all the pressure's off of everything, you can see that we just go in with regular PDR tools and finish manipulating the metal back into its original state. Remember what it looked like before, all the smashed up. This is what it looks like now after many hours of paintless dent repair. Getting everything straight, rebuilding body lines, rebuilding the edge of the panel. Again, not using any body fillers, not replacing the fender, not grinding, painting, any of the traditional body shop methods. This is 100% with paintless dent repair. If you have dents, dings, complex damage like in this video here, give us a call at 970-815-4657 or look us up on the web at www.kclcreations.com.